I'm a pop more. I'm too in love with this shit. Plus I came too far to quit. A nigga too none.
You got a problem with this? Let me know so I can add your fucking name on my list. All you West Coast DJs, check your wrist. If you scared to add the big fish to your playlist now. Enemies of this industry. I'm a Hall of Famer, treated like a stranger. That another West Coast banger. Who gives a f if they play it in Virginia? I'ma play it on Banker, play it on Western. All up there and that's will make your head turn. Motherfuckers wanna take our style and run that shit 3,000 miles. Then rub the shit all in our face. This award show all at our place.